it's Bonnie. Happy Friday night. Oh my gosh, you guys. I've got this huge box of Avon that I'm going to be sharing with you tonight. This is actually some of my Avon Visionaries Christmas preview stuff. I don't think my Christmas tree is in here. I also have some Christmas stuff in here that I just ordered for Campaign 23. Check it out. This is Campaign 23. If you want to head over to my Facebook group, I'll leave the link below. I'm going to do a thing where I've got like 5 sets of catalogs and samples that I'm going to be sending to people. So head over there. I do have a limited amount. So definitely join the group because I'll have the information on how to get the catalog to 5 people up on there. Because check it out. Oh my gosh, you guys. There is Christmas stuff in here. Another way to start getting the catalog is if you place an order, any order, when you're checking out on the side, it'll ask you if you want a catalog. You have to check the button, though. If you don't check the button, you're not going to, the checkbox, you're not going to get the catalog. So definitely check that box because you're going to want to get this catalog. And then if you're on my coupon list, you're also going to get all kinds of cool incentives. If you go to my website, my e-store, my Avon e-store, I'll put everything below. At the bottom, you can sign up, or if you click the Connect With Me button at the center, you can give me your information, and we'll get you on the coupon list. So if you're just joining me, I am an online Avon rep. Check it out. I'm so excited for Christmas. I'm so nostalgic for Avon Christmas. Oh my gosh, you guys. Everything is just so fun and festive. I just love it. So anyway, let's start digging in. Oh my gosh. The first thing I got was I did pick up 2 boxes of the disposable masks. I like these. You get 50 in a box. These are the only masks my family likes. So I did pick those up. And if you do buy a box of masks, you do get a 10 of the Avon. These are the Moisture Therapy lip balms. I actually got 2 boxes, so they gave me 20 lip balms. So I'll be giving you a lip balm with the catalog because I got extra lip balm. So next thing I got, this is coming in Campaign 23, I think. Check this out. My mom wanted one of these so bad. It's a hat with a face shield on it. How cool is this? So I believe these are $24. They're pretty nice, though. So it's a nice hat. I mean, you could actually just wear the hat by itself. It's actually not a bad hat. I'm like, I kind of like the hat because I do wear a hat when I go to the beach a lot. And then how this works is there's like this Velcro section. She actually got 2 of these. How does this work on the black one? Oh, here. You can't see it as much. You attach the shield part to the Velcro. Like I said, she got a beige one too. She got a black one and a beige one. And then, I'm trying to do this quickly. If you do it, if you're actually more careful with it, it works a little bit better. But basically, you kind of just Velcro this in. And then, this thing is huge. Oh my gosh. Check it out, you guys. Is this not the craziest? I didn't do it right. I did the other one right. It actually fits really well. But I'm like, if you're looking for a face shield, that's like the longest one I think I have ever seen. So those are pretty cool. They're good. I think they're in this catalog. I'll have to look in this catalog to see exactly what we got. Okay, next up. Oh my gosh. Polythera, you guys. This is the new curl cream. I'm super excited about this. So you know I've been yapping on and on and on about the Polythera line from Elastine for like weeks. I love this shampoo. I love what it does to my hair. My hair has been growing. It's nice and thick. So this is a vitalizes your hair with natural ingredients. This is again royal jelly. You put it on damp or dry curls. I'm just going to take a little bit out and see what this is like because I'm really dying to see this. There must be a safety seal on this thing. Yes, there is. I love the safety seal. Oh, I just got it all over the place. That's okay. We're all good. I'll just pick it up off the... Just a white cream. Oh, it smells good, too. So put that in my hair. Looks like it's adding a little bit of shine there. So, I'm giving this a yay. This is awesome. So it's called the Rejuvenating Curl Cream. So check that out. I'm excited about that. Look at that. Okay, so I got that. Now I got curl cream everywhere. Oh, this is one of my holiday makeup applicator ornaments. Oh my gosh, you're going to want to pick these up, you guys. These are so cute as stocking stuffers. Check these out. So it's a little ornament with a makeup applicator sponge, but it looks like a snowman and it's branded for Avon. How adorable is that? These are perfect stocking stuffers. These will be available in campaign 23. If you sign up as a rep, you'll be able to pick these up now, which is kind of cool. You can sign up as a rep for $0 if you'd like. I'll put that information below too. Next up, oh, I got my Cucina. Oh my gosh, you guys, my desk is such a mess today. I've been so many places. I've been to Bath and Body Works. I've been to Dollar Tree. I've been all over today. Throw that down there. This is the Cucina Sweet Orange Multi-Purpose Cleaning Spray. I really love this stuff. You get a pump with it. Awesome home essential going on there. I love that Avon has got all these new products from LG, the home essential products. This is awesome. I gotta go faster here. I'm already 6 minutes into this video, you guys. The Holiday Beauty Caddy. I'm so excited about this. I'll be reviewing all of this stuff separately too. I gotta stop getting so excited here. Check it out. Look at this beauty caddy. I love these caddies. These are awesome. And then there's like these dividers inside. You can organize your makeup. I love this thing. I have one in pink. Let me set that up there. I did get 2 of those. Let's see, what else do I have in here? I'm so excited about this. I finally got my Monopop eyeshadow palette. Korean Beauty. This is their, I think this is the Face Shop. I did get this because I really wanted to try this one out for a couple months and it was sold out. Ooh, this is pretty. Let me open this one up. How do I open this? They're making it very complicated to open, you guys. Okay, it wasn't complicated. It was just me. You just pull it. I was trying to press a button. It wasn't that complicated at all. Check out these shades. These are so pretty. I will be reviewing this palette because I'm super excited to share this with you guys. This is the Mood Brown palette. So that is exciting. I did get 2 of the Avon makeup wipes. These are the Mineral Complex, one of my favorite makeup wipes of all time. I love this one. I did get 2 of those. I got my Earl Grey Tea Mint Tooth Balm. I love their toothpaste, you guys. I think these have just like a really fun Harry Potter kind of Victorian England look to them. I love these. They're so fun. These would make really nice gifts. Like if you've got someone you can't figure out what to get them for Christmas, you could do like a fun tooth balm basket. I also got my whitening essentials. I use this every day, and then usually a couple times a week I use my specialty toothpaste. Oops, I'm knocking my computer all over the place. My gosh. I did get 2 curl creams. Got a second curl cream. I got the Polythera Aloe Dual Active Hair Serum, you guys. I have no idea what this is. It looked really fascinating, so I had to pick this up. I'm not even going to try this now. Look at this. How fun is this? It's some sort of like, it's got aloe on one side and oil on the other side. I'm so excited to try this one. Like I said, I will be demoing all of this stuff out. This looks really luxurious. I'm excited, you guys. Next up, I got a whole bunch of the Avon hand creams. I've got Moisture Therapy with the Candy Cane. I got the Silicone Glove with the Snowman. And I got the Radiant Moisture with the Ornaments. And then we also have the Vitamoist with the 2 and the Santa on it. So lots of different Avon hand creams coming for Christmas. Let me look at this. Oh, this is the other beauty sponge. Makeup sponge. It also comes in a Christmas tree. Again, these are great stocking stuffers for just about anybody. And they come in this cute little luxurious looking box. I thought the box was really pretty. I was like, that's a nice touch having the box in there. Oh my gosh, you guys. Coming in, I want to say campaign 22. Next campaign, maybe? Look at this. It's the Rose Silk Bouquet. This is the shower gel. You know me, I'm not a huge fan of roses. My mother loves roses, so I got this for her. It's definitely rosy, you guys. This is not my cup of tea because I'm not a huge fan of fresh cut roses. However, if you like fresh cut roses, I have a feeling you might love this. This would make a great gift for someone. It's no parabens, no chemical colorants, dermatologically tested. It's eco-friendly, and the bottle is absolutely beautiful, and it comes with a pump. And it comes in this cute little box, which I love the boxes. I think that's kind of like a nice little touch. You could wrap this up as a Christmas gift. Start thinking Christmas, you guys. It's not too early to start thinking Christmas. Speaking of Christmas, I did get one of these as a gift. This is the Rare Pearls set. Check this out. Avon is going to have a lot of these really cute gift boxes for Christmas. I don't know if I can open this and put it back together. This is just for my mother-in-law. She won't mind if I take it out. I won't even notice. So check it out. I got two products, two Rare Pearls products. How cool is this? Oh my gosh. Actually, I might keep this. I like this. I might get her another one. I may be reviewing this, you guys. I was thinking if I gave this for a gift, and I'm like, this is kind of pretty. I might be keeping this. If I keep it, I'll review it, and then I'll just buy her another one. I've been known to do that, you guys. Okay, so we got that. Let me set that aside. I got more of the makeup sponges. Oh, I've got more shampoo. This is the Elastine Damage Repair. Favorite conditioner of all time. This is awesome. Anything in this Elastine for Polythera line, I absolutely love. Love it, love it, love it. So let me set that aside. I swear my desk is going to just collapse under its own weight. I got a ton more stuff. I did get the Artisan Cherry Vetiver perfume, and that's kind of the call out on the cover of campaign 23. These are a world of authentic fragrances expertly crafted by master perfumers. And it's the Leered, and it's the cherry vetiver is awesome, you guys. If you like the Bath and Body Works sugared cherry crisp, this is not the same, but it's a little bit. The sticker is coming off. It's kind of like, I think, a sophisticated version. Check out the lid on there. Super pretty bottle. Let me just try. That's heavy, kind of heavyweight there. Let me try this on. I must have been the humidity. Got the sticker off a little bit. I did get a sample of this, the smaller one. Oh, that smells good. It smells like cherries. It's like a sophisticated perfume, though. I'll probably review this a little bit more in depth. But that's really pretty. I'm liking this. And then I got one more bag for you guys. I got a lot of stuff here, I told you. I did get... these are a few more of the Glimmer Shadows. What shades did I get? Oh, I can't wait to see these. I got to review some of the Glimmer Shadows a little bit more in depth. I have a couple more shades. Oh my gosh, look at this one. I think this one's called Diamond Dust. I love these Glimmer Shadows. These are literally, I think, my all-time favorite eyeshadow now, and mostly my go-to. Like I said, I did get that Monopop palette because I like to, on my lids, sometimes use like a little bit more of the powder, but I don't know, the Monopop's interesting to me too. Look at this. I'm really loving these liquid eyeshadows though. These are awesome. So I got two of those. I got, oh my gosh, you guys, I got this. This is the Avon True Color Lip Gloss. I didn't even know we had Avon True Color Lip Gloss. Honestly, it's like I was looking through the Avon book the other day and I'm like, I didn't even know we had this. I'm going to have to, I'll demo that out. I got so much in here. I did get another one of the eyeshadow quads. Like I said, I go back and forth so much. I love the liquid. I love the quads. Avon is definitely my go-to place for all my makeup these days. Check that one out. That's super pretty. It's got some mauves in it. I'm going to go through all the quads one day on my channel so you can see all of them. I have a lot of them. I also got, which one is this? Oh, the chocolate one. Oh, this one looks so pretty. Check it out, the chocolate quad. Oh, look at this. I love this one. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. That number 3, it's like a metallic brown. I am liking this one. I am such a sucker for eyeshadow and eyeshadow palettes. I'm always like getting different eyeshadows. I got a whole heck of a lot of lip balms. You know what? It's not Christmas without an Avon lip balm. I got Marshmallow. I got the calendar. Isn't that cute? Don't you remember as a kid getting the calendar lip balm, taking that to school? I got the Moisture Therapy. I got the Buttercream. I got Candy Cane. And I think we have one more. This one is, Sugar Cookie. So these will all be coming up. Like I said, you can't go through Christmas without the Avon lip balm, so you'll be able to order those. And then I did get a couple of jewelry pieces. Oh, I got the snowflake. I can't even talk about the snowflake necklace. I'm overly excited, you guys. I should do a video of like all the jewelry because I really do love my Avon jewelry. Oh, that's pretty. Look at this. How delicate and nice this is. Oh, that's really pretty. Look, this is so cute. I like this because it's not like ostentatiously like large. Look how pretty that is. It's like a snowflake and then like a diamond on top. Oh, I like that. That is very pretty. Okay, I'm glad I got that. I like wearing jewelry in my videos. I just have to remember to put it on. And then what else did I get? I got the Celestial Moonstone. They have these necklaces. They're kind of like, I want to say Harry Potter inspired. I wanted to see what they look like. They are really pretty. They're kind of like a stone, got like a little moon on it. That's kind of cool. It kind of reminds me of something that's out of Harry Potter. I'm always looking for Harry Potter inspired stuff. So that's pretty. These are inexpensive too. They're like $9 or something. $11. I've never been one. I don't own a lot of expensive jewelry at all. I own none. I own no expensive jewelry. I always like getting more costume type jewelry. I think it's my theater background, but I've always loved like costume jewelry so much. Oh, this is so pretty. I think this was $16. This is the crushed abalone. Look how pretty this is. That is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Oh, I can't wait to wear this. This looks really pretty for fall. Okay, so I'm really glad I got that. That is awesome. So I'm really happy with the jewelry I got. Everything's pretty exciting in here. Like I said, I did get the new catalog. The first couple pages definitely has a lot of the Christmas stuff. Like I said, this is campaign 23, which starts in, I want to say like 3 weeks, maybe 3.5 weeks. I was wondering if there was a new A box coming up because you know me, I'm always like looking for the A boxes. I love the A box. I don't know if we're going to get a new one. Oh, see, there's that rose. Check it out. The Passion and Beyond Rose Silk Bouquet. So that is coming up. And then, all your Avon classics are in here. But I think the big news is definitely that Christmas is coming. So head over to my Facebook page. Like I said, I'm going to do a little fun catalog giveaway over there. All my links are below. Like I said, shipping is free on $60 if you want to shop my e-store. Thank you so much for watching. Definitely hit the subscribe button because all the holiday stuff, I did the preview yesterday. I'm going to get all the holiday stuff. We're going to go through it all. We're going to reminisce. We're going to have nostalgia time. All kinds of fun stuff. I will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.